Hi, I'm Laura from one of the support teams here at Coleg Gwent. We have an extensive range of support available to help you get the best out of your college experience. From our learner and customer service teams on every campus, a personal tutor to aid your academic progress, to confidential 24/7 online services to support your mental health, or free face-to-face counselling with a trained professional. Whatever you need, we've got you covered. We recognise coming to college is a big step for some of you, so our support services are there to help remove these barriers that might be making learning difficult for you, both in and out of college. We can also help if you think you're on the wrong course and get you onto the right one. Coleg Gwent is a diverse and inclusive environment where you can be yourself. We support multi-faith with prayer rooms on every campus. We encourage you to explore your spirituality and sexuality and have groups that you can join to get support from. Our main aim is to make your college experience positive, fun, and rewarding in a safe and welcoming environment. We are here to help you grow and reach your full potential while studying here with us at Coleg Gwent.